the new video. In this video we are going to take a look on a Delta exchange. Delta exchange is full of crypto options. We will see in this video Delta exchange overview as well as how you can deposit INR and what are the options for the withdrawal. Make sure to watch full video to understand whole concepts in this video. First of all, let's see home of crypto options. Call and put options on BTC and ETH, perpetuals on BTC, ETH and 50 plus alts. Sign up now. Sign up link is given in the video description. If you sign up with my link, you will get 10% off in trading fees. Here you will get dashboard of 24-hour total volume for the futures volume as well as options volume. In markets, you can see highest volume, top losers, top gainers for options as well as for futures as well. So after that, what are the benefits for the trade options? If you are option trader, then you have a lot of benefits on this platform. Basket orders, strategy builder, easy options, effective margining scheme, deep OTM IM options as well as PNL analytics. In basket orders, you can place multiple orders at the same time. With strategy builder, create and analyze your own trades and strategies. In easy options, just guess the direction where price will go up or down, and then you can get a trade ideas. And after that, effective margining scheme. You can trade options with minimum margin of $10. This is quite amazing if you compare with other exchanges. As well as deep OTM IM options, PNL analytics. These all benefits will help a lot when you trade options. So this will be a great platform if you are a options trader as well as futures trader. You can download the app by scanning this QR code, or simply you can get this application with the Android app by visiting on Google Play, as well as you can download it for the iOS as well by visiting in App Store. Or you have one more option, simply you can click on this download Android APK, then you will get redirected to the website and you can download directly from their website. Now we got the ideas what are the benefits on this website. After reading this complete front page, you can go for the sign up, and make sure guys you are using amitandcrypto referral code to get 10% off in trading fees. Once you complete the sign up process, you have to log in your account. Once you are done, just click on the login button. After that, you will receive one verification code on the email. Once you enter that email verification code, you are good to go with the Delta exchange. In order to trade any cryptocurrencies, options, futures, spot trading, you must be complete your verification process before you go for the further steps. After KYC verification, now let's understand what are the options for the depositing crypto as well as how you can deposit your crypto from Delta exchange. First of all, let's understand how you can buy crypto using INR. First of all, you need to select which coin you want to buy, and after that you will get three options for the payment partner. Click any of them, and after that you can enter how much you are willing to invest in INR in order to receive USDT. Once you done with these steps, I recommend to read the complete step of how it works. It will give you a lot of information how it is works. And after that, once you done with this all steps, simply click on the buy option. You will get payment QR codes. Once you done with that payment, your whole deposit will show in this wallet option. Now we understood the how you can deposit our crypto using INR. Now how you can deposit using crypto. You have some coins to deposit like USDT, USDC, BTC, DATO, ETH, XRP, SOL. So these are the options available to deposit your crypto. you have multiple networks like web20, erc20, trc20, polygon matic. Once you select these all things, you have to transfer the crypto from any other exchange to Delta exchange, simply taking this deposit address. I hope you guys are understood how you can sign up, login, complete the steps towards the trading, and after that how you can deposit and buy these crypto options. Now let's understand what is the steps for the withdrawals. First of all, you need to select which coin you want to withdraw. There are four network types, which is ERC20, BEP20, which is the BSC, and after that TRC20, and after the last step you will get option for the Matic. Withdrawal will take 30 minutes to 24 hours. Sometimes it takes more than 24 hours. I recommend to use the Telegram helpline in order to get the support from the Telegram group members. You can join their community in order to get help any type of, if you have any queries regarding your account, you can simply connect them and share your questions, and they will definitely help you. There are multiple ways to connect with them: Twitter, Telegram. So if you connect with them with the Telegram, then you can get solution of your any problems. I hope you guys are understood complete overview of. In withdraw option, we have very good options. If you want to withdraw your crypto to directly bank, this option is very good options in delta.exchange. How it works, let me tell you. First of all, you need to select the coin whichever you want to withdraw, and after that select vendor, and you have to add your bank details and select how much USDT or how much crypto you want to withdraw. Let's understand in small steps how it works. Sometimes transaction will take 48 hours due to depending on the network congestion, and you have to enter the withdrawal amount minimum 30 USDT to maximum 1000 USDT. Newly added account, after 4 hours of addition you can withdraw, and after that you have to pay charges of 1% TDS. Once you agree with these all steps, you are good to go withdrawing your cryptocurrencies to the directly bank account. If you have any questions related to this transaction or any crypto transaction from the Delta exchange, you can create your ticket on this from this link, and withdrawn amount will reflect within 48 hours.